Hey all! Today we are going to learn different type of shapes and colors. This is green color and this shape is square shape. Now we are going to fill this square shape with green color. This is green color square shape. This is red color and this is rectangle shape. Now we are going to fill the rectangle shape with red color. This is red color rectangle shape. This is yellow color. This is heart shape. Now we are going to fill this heart shape with yellow color. This is yellow color heart shape. Now this color is blue color and this shape is circle. Now we are going to fill this circle with blue color. This is blue color circle. Come on everyone, let's revise the colors. This is blue color and this shape is oval shape. Now we are going to fill this oval shape with blue color. This is a blue color oval shape. This is green color and this shape is triangle shape. Now we are going to fill this triangle shape with green color. This is green color triangle shape. This is red color and this shape is diamond shape. Now we are going to fill this diamond shape with red color. This is a red color diamond shape. This is yellow color and this shape is star. Now we are going to fill this star shape with yellow color. This is yellow color star shape. Come on everyone, let's revise these shapes. Square shape, S-Q-A-R-E, square. Rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Heart shape, H-E-A-R-T, heart. Circle shape, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle shape. Next one is oval shape, O-V-A-L, oval. Triangle shape, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Diamond shape, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. Star shape, S-T-A-R, star.